Here we go.
What?
There's another one.
The media excuses the 7-week paid vacation with a pathetic, that's how it's always done. Really? That makes it okay? You should take a
The
vacation.
National Weather Service in College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, Centred County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, western Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carlhouse to near Julian to storms down to Franklinville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bellefonte, State College, Erinsburg, Pine Glen, Pleasant Gap, Bow Valley State Park, Bald Eagle State Park, Bramblewood, Mülheim, Park Forest Village, Stormstown, Houseville, Keating, Westport, Renovo, Madisonburg, Wolfsburg, Milesburg, Snowshoe, and Macaulay-Sport. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Cuylertown and Lock Haven exits, specifically from mile markers 138 to 173. This includes Interstate 99 from mile marker 60 to 85. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Clearfield, Clinton, and Huntingdon. The National Weather Service